The emergence of sleek, architecturally refined tiny homes signifies a profound moment in residential design, perfectly embodying the ideal of micro-living mastery and fundamentally shaking up the conventions of the small space housing industry. These structures are certainly not to be dismissed as mere shrunken copies of conventional residential blueprints. Rather, they represent extraordinary engineering achievements where spatial utilization is paramount, ensuring that every centimeter is deliberately conceived and assigned multi-layered functionality. The hallmark of these rail-thin dwellings is their remarkable capacity to exploit smart, unadorned minimalist principles in order to cultivate a profoundly airy and expansive internal atmosphere, a spatial illusion that completely belies their undeniably modest exterior dimensions. By aggressively capitalizing on vertical volume, maximizing incoming daylight, and maintaining uninterrupted visual planes, contemporary designers have unequivocally demonstrated that even the most restricted footprint can effortlessly support a domestic existence that is rich, fully operational, and possesses a distinct aesthetic superiority, thereby shattering the long-held premise that genuine luxury must correlate with colossal square footage. In essence, these impressively narrow homes serve as undeniable proof that the equation of less equals more holds true, contingent only on the design being rigorously intelligent and subject to continuous, meticulous optimization. A cornerstone technique in achieving the exceptional functionality within these compact designs involves the flawless TEX-TBF integration of transformable fixtures and ingenious concealed storage mechanisms. For illustration, comfortable living room bench seating routinely converts into voluminous TEX-TBF storage repositories. While staircases are expertly engineered to secretly house deep utility drawers or even seamlessly integrate necessary TEX-TBF appliance pullouts. Furthermore, wall-mounted surfaces such as dining tables can be swiftly TEX-TBF folded down for meals. And then TEX-TBF tucked away to become decorative wall panels. This relentless TEX-TBF layering of utility guarantees that the interior remains flawlessly organized by banishing visual clutter, simultaneously permitting the home to dynamically adapt its entire layout to accommodate various activities over the course of the day, transforming effortlessly from a relaxed living room at midday to a formal dining space, and finally into a secluded bedroom at night. Moreover, addressing the inherent constraint of the home's limited width, architects strategically incorporate expansive TEX-TBF floor-to-ceiling glazing and sliding glass doors. These crucial openings do more than simply TEX-TBF drench the interior in vital natural light. They forge a deep TEX-TBF visual continuity between the inside environment and the outside world. An optical masterstroke that successfully tricks the eye into perceiving the dwelling as considerably more open and less confined than its physical boundaries would otherwise dictate. The inherent TEX-TBF visual language adopted by these slim, tiny homes overwhelmingly leans towards a highly refined, uncompromising modernism dedicated to fostering a TEX-TBF spotless, streamlined environment that pushes the psychological limits of perceived space. The selection of building materials is meticulously carried out, favoring those known for TEX-TBF reflecting light and ensuring long-term durability, such as pristine TEX-TBF white-painted surfaces, highly polished concrete, or pale TEX-TBF Scandinavian-inspired timber flooring, alongside integrated TEX-TBF handleless kitchen cabinetry. These homes frequently draw strong inspiration from TEX-TBF contemporary Nordic, or pure minimalist schools of thought, which are innately suited to small-scale habitation due to their core tenets of TEX, TBF, simplistic forms, and unyielding functionality. Crucially, the commitment to excellence extends far beyond surface appeal and into the home's very infrastructure. TEX, TBF state-of-the-art, high-efficiency mechanical systems are universally installed, ranging from sophisticated ventilation and air purification to TEX, TBF, on-demand tankless water heaters, and integrated smart home technology. This rigorous dedication to both TEX, TBF, flawless finish, and high-tech utility guarantees that the daily living experience is not only environmentally sustainable and aesthetically beautiful, but also possesses the TEX TBF smooth operational reliability expected of any traditional, high-end luxury property.